Hi friends, how are you all? This video is for Dow Jones Index. This video is only dedicated to those who trade in Forex and those who trade in US stock markets. Friend, I want to update you that Dow Index is trading in the range from several time, and there is something interesting is about to happen, and we will forecast it on the chart. So friends, since from the last couple of days, if you see, the Dow Jones Index is trading under the range of this particular higher end and the lower end. So now suddenly the stock has changed into the lower lows. We have found that the stock is changing into the negative territories, and there are certain spots we had found in the chart which giving a signal that the stock had turning its sides into the negative territory. And here if you could see, according to the Dow theories, the stock is, if it's stock it's turned into the lower lows or higher lows, then it's moving into the negative territory. Here you can spot it out here. See, the first stock had given the higher highs, then it has changed into lower highs, then another lower highs, then another lower highs. And similarly, the first was, it was a higher lows here, but then you find there is one more lower lows, and then now another one lower lows. So if you see over here, the higher highs are converting into the lower highs, and the higher lows is converted into lower lows. So this indicates that the stock is on the negative sides, and now only last hope is there for the stock. If you could see, the last hope is the lower end of this range, which I had marked in red in color. By any chance, if the stock had break this last hope, which is the lower end of the range, by any chance if it's got breaked with the volume, then there is a possibility that another gap down will get open for this index. There is a huge probability that it will go more further down. See, if you see over here, if you see the stock over here, see, once it's get breakdown, then this much amount of, this is the range of the this entire range, the entire area will get further move quickly over here. So according to that, we will make our trade. So to make the trade our accurate, we can check over here what will be the possibility. By any chance, if it's get breakdown over here, then I will tell you what will be our entry point. See, this horizontal line, I will make it in the black color. This will be our entry point. Okay, and so if I'll put it over here, see, this will be our entry point. If this, sorry friends, just bear me for a couple of time unless I'll make this things clear. Okay, this will be our entry points, and our target will be, our first approx target will be here. Okay, and the stop loss you can put, see, you can see over here, I had made one supply line over here. Once the stock get, after heating over here, and by any chance if it's get, if it's get succeed to close above the supply line, then there is a huge probability that it will go again back to the upper end of this range. But as of now, it's not seems to be happen. Unless it's not get confirmed, we cannot say anything. So now, as of now, there is a probability it will get break on the lower end. But by any chance if it gets support, on this, the lower end, then there is a probability it will get a strength to break this supply line. So once it gets break this supply line, then there is a possibility it will go to the higher end. So then you can plan a trade over here with keeping a buy over here, and the the stop loss will be the red line, the lower end of the range, and take profit will be on the upper end of the range. So this is the probability. If it's get, this buy position will come into the picture only once it takes support over here and it successfully get close about to the supply line. But there is a rare chance, but there's a high probability that it will get breakdown over here. Then there is a possibility it will go up and it will take the retest, and then it will go down. So you can so if that happens, once it successfully get breakdown over here on the lower end, then there is a probability, there is a high probability that more gap down area will get open for the index, which will take the stock to this area. Okay, so this will be your take profit, this will be your entry point, which is in black color, and your stop loss we will keep it over here. I will show you the stop loss will be over here. So this is a nice risk to reward ratio trade you can take, my friends. So once again I will make it very clear and I will close the video. So once it gets breakdown over here, then it will go here and then it will come here. So this will be your approx target. Okay, well, like I mean to say, once it gets breakdown over here and there is a, then this will be your target, which I had marked over here, approx target. And once it get breakdown, then this will be the black, will be your black line will be your entry point, and your stop loss. Like for example, if it's got breakdown and by any chance it got a support and it's, it's got broke, it had broke the supply line, then you make sure and think like you have to, you have to close your trade with the stop loss if it's crossed this, if it's crossed this supply line. So this is how you can make the trade possible, those friends. And if you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.